Hi, do you see these frames here? Yes, they're here for a long time and empty. So I decided to surprise my girlfriend and paint them. I have some ideas. Are you ready? I'm not, but let's see what I can do. Right, Tudi? Hmm? Let's go. After trying to make the floor paint-proof with card boxes, I took the frames from the living room wall and took them to the improvised paint shop. The paint I use is water-based and there is nothing special about it. It was the most cheap I could find with the colors I wanted. The colors I choose are blue and yellow to match the living room pillows, and all the materials needed for this fun DIY project without the frames cost was about €5, including the paint, the plastic cups and the black cardboard. This is a nice project that you can make by yourself without spending much. The next step was to lay the black cardboard in the center of the plastic cup that is suspended and attached to the lamp in the ceiling. I then stick them with painter's tape and measure to make sure that the center of the cardboard was matching the plastic cup. After this step, I started mixing the blue and yellow paint with water. The secret is to have the paint liquid enough to fall from the stick without being too watery. Okay, let's see if she likes it. The color is beautiful. So make sure if you try this, you add the water multiple times in small quantities. After having the colors ready, I started by pouring the yellow colors first to the plastic cup that will attach to the cord suspended in the ceiling. The next step is to find the right starting point to let go the cup and do its magic. If you wonder how the paint gets out, you just need to make a hole or multiple ones at the bottom of the plastic cup and put glue tape until you're ready to let go the cup to do its thing. So let's watch. The next color is the blue one, and you can see me putting the glue tape in the cup. Unfortunately, the cup got stuck in the cardboard and I almost lost the paint. Okay, let's watch the blue design. This time the cup has 3 holes instead of 1. Let's go. The result is better than I was expecting. And for the first time, I couldn't be more happier with the final result. Once I use painter's tape, I can safely remove it from the painting and pass to the next step. I then framed the 3 paintings in the IKEA frames I had, and because the paints were the same size of the frames, I didn't need to make any adjustments. After that, I only had to fix them in the wall, and I was ready to surprise my girlfriend that arrives today from her trip to Paris. Okay, it's done. I hope you enjoyed the process. It was a lot of fun doing it. What do you guys think? I hope she likes it, and we'll see later in the day, so stay tuned.
Que lindo! Olha, gosto, vês? Pintaste tu? Ah, olha que lindo! Ai, caras, que lindo! Mas como é que tu fizeste? Ai, juntaste tudo e depois cortaste. Está muito giro!
Gostas?
Gosto, olha, gosto muito. Dá lá, ai, fogo, dá logo outro ar.